Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this using the Revlon hair dryer. You'll need the dryer, a hair clip, heat protectant, a brush, and a spray bottle with water. Remove your rings so product doesn't build up or snag. I let my hair air dry about 75% and then brush it out. If you have long hair like me, start the first section around ear level. I use low heat. Hold the dryer vertically and roll it away from my face. Repeat on the other side and go over each section until it's fully dry. You'll get a soft swoop at the end. For the next section, bring your dry hair forward, tilt your head back, and let the damp hair fall down. Section just above the ears. And repeat the same motion. Vertical, rolling away from your face. If the sections are wider, split them in two. For the next section, bring your dry hair forward, tilt your head back, and let the damp hair fall down. Next, section the middle of your head like a mohawk. And repeat the same motion. Vertical, rolling away from your face. If the sections are wider, split them in two. At this point, it should look smoother with some movement at the ends. Now for the final section. If they dry too much, lightly mist them with water. For this part, dry the back pieces forward. When you get to your bangs, dry the longer pieces first while letting the bangs fall naturally. For the bangs, roll them forward once, then back, holding for a second before rolling backward again. And that's it. Smooth, less frizz, and more movement. Just take your time and let the tool do the work. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you're here.